Okay, this is a very quick session on how to standardize the emails within your Zoho CRM such that you can have the same looking emails, the same look and feel throughout your corporate emails when you're using email templates within the CRM. Okay, so this is pretty simple, but there are a few tips that we have after years of using the CRM email editor. So the first being, if you are going to create an email offline, for example, we recommend the best way to do that is using Notepad. Okay, the reason behind that is because it removes all kinds of formatting and so on. So do not use Microsoft Word, for example. That's probably the worst thing you can do, because when you come to paste that into the editor, you'll have all sorts of formatting problems. So, for example, here's just a very, very simple text-based email about sending a quotation for a review. So we've created that offline, or you could have copied and pasted that from another CRM or from an HTML editor or something like that, pasted into Notepad. From there, okay, you go to create your email, okay, and you can basically from there very simply Control V and paste in the email text. Okay, now you may need to adjust the dynamic fields based on the module that you are using. In this case it is the potential, so this one is correct. If you're going to do this for a lead or something, for example, you would need to select the relevant module from here and the relevant field, making sure these are correct. Okay, now another tip that we have, okay, also make sure the spelling is correct. And another tip we have is, for sure, each email you should select whether to add the user's signature or not. Okay, so you should create a standard. Do you or do you not add email signatures to standard text-based emails like this? Okay, so in this case we are, so that you should remember in there. Secondly, go through it, and even if it looks perfect on the WYSIWYG editor here, we would recommend that you highlight the entire finished email and then select the font that you like throughout your organizational emails. Okay, so you should standardize this. We recommend one of the business fonts, of course. Just go in there, select the font that you like, and also select the size that you like. Now you noticed when we did that, there was a slight shift in the spacing and so on within the Zoho email editor. Okay, this again is because copying and pasting from any kind of editor into another one, especially if it's an HTML editor, it often results in some formatting problems because of the code behind each piece of text. Okay, believe it or not, there is some code behind this when you're copying and pasting, and then as you paste it in here, it can have an impact on the layout. Alright, so we've done that. So first of all, let's recap. Add user signature, make sure that is standardized, either on or off, up to you. But basically, you create your signature in personal settings and then either select yes all the time to standardize the layout or no. And secondly, we decided to highlight all of the text of the email, and then even if it looks perfect, just as a final step, we select the font that we want and the size that we want, like that, and then at that stage we save. Okay, and then here's your list, here is the email that we have just done, and now that is ready for usage. So if we go to the potentials and we just select any particular potential here, and then we select to send an email. Okay, so then we select the template. There is the template. Okay, so you can see now it's pretty good. It looks how we want it to look. So we have had feedback from users that sometimes the templates don't come through as they would think, or it's in a different font. We have found through our usage and experience in Zoho CRM, but following those few very simple tips just before you save an email template, that helps reduce those kinds of formatting issues. Okay, thanks very much.